Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you intend to give your child access to an iPhone for personal use? Before you hand it over, make sure to place certain limits to safeguard your child from misuse and any malicious online contents. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental controls on your iPhone or iPad. Let's go. To start, open Settings, proceed to Screen Time, turn it on, and then choose This is my child's iPhone when prompted. For the meantime, let's skip all the suggestion pages for the initial restrictions set up since it will be simpler to configure them later on within the screen time settings. Next, provide a unique screen time passcode. To maintain security and privacy, keep this different from the device's passcode so that no one, especially your child, can create changes to the settings. Then, provide a registered and valid Apple ID for passcode recovery purposes. Of course, make sure to provide your personal Apple ID and not that of your child's. Otherwise, all of the restrictions you'll set might be invalidated. Once done, you can now configure several restrictions within the screen time settings. Start by going to Downtime to set a specific schedule to keep your child from spending too much time in front of the screen. Toggle Scheduled On, then decide whether you want it implemented every day or just on certain days. Then set the start and end times for the downtime schedule to confirm the setup. Aside from downtime schedule, you can also configure the daily usage limits of some apps based on the categories by setting it up within App Limits. To do this, tap on Add Limit and choose one or more app categories from the suggested list. Then set how many hours a day your child can use them. Since a phone essentially serves as a portal to the internet, it's crucial to regulate your child's web exposure to keep him from sites unsuitable for a minor. In order to do this, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure it is activated, and then proceed to Content Restrictions. Next, access web content and set it to Allowed Websites. By default, Apple already set a few child-friendly websites. If you want to add another, click on Add Website and provide its address details. Aside from those mentioned, there are still several restrictions you can configure within Screen Time. You can explore and browse through each, then choose which still require configuration to further limit your child's iPhone use. Once everything is set, don't forget to tap Use Screen Time Passcode and confirm the individual passcode once more along with your Apple ID for recovery. In doing so, your child won't be able to revert any restrictions you've created. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.